Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to find and join Telegram communities. Let's get started. Now you're going to open your Telegram. Now use your Telegram. If you're looking for any group, any channel, or any community on your Telegram, what you need to do is come to the search button, click on search. And now let me tell you one thing. You can look at this now. Now make sure you put on this channel here. Now you are going to search and you need to know the keywords or the title or any names for the channel or group or community you want to join. For example, now you want to join a music community, you must just type in music and Telegram is going to bring out all the community under music which you can be able to join. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see join here. You can just join. And you can also search for another thing there of freelancer. Just make sure you put in the keyword of this particular community you are looking for. You can see there's another one here. Even if you write only the 4 or 5 letters that started the community or the group, Telegram is going to bring out all or some of a community that has the keyword. So you can see a freelance, you can see just click on any of it and you can automatically join here. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe.